So I'll show you how to manage the display settings on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So you simply go to settings, and then under settings, you want to go to display, tap on that, and this is where you can manage everything about your display. So for instance, you have light and dark mode, which you can adjust from here. And then also you have your screen brightness, which you can adjust manually, or you can enable adaptive brightness for your tablet to determine how much brightness you need at the time. So for me, I like to keep that off and keep my brightness high for these videos. And then you also have motion smoothness, where you basically choose the refresh rate of your display. You have adaptive, which can go all the way to 90 Hertz, or you can keep it standard, which basically gives you 60 Hertz. All right. So depending on what you want, you can choose that from there. And then you have your eye comfort shield, which basically helps you block excess blue light from your eyes, just to reduce eye strain. And then also you have font size and style. This is where you can change all that up. And then you have your aspect ratio. You have a screen timeout period. You can enable and disable edge panels. And then you have the taskbar. This is where you can customize the taskbar, or you can even turn it on or off. And then you have your accidental touch protection and screensaver. So this is where you can basically customize everything about the display of your Tab A11. Thanks for watching and good luck.